Folks, Earthmaster here checking in on this Saturday afternoon, July 17th, 2021. Latest quake on the globe's a 2.8, but getting some indication of a pretty good sized earthquake striking south of the Panama area. USGS not listing it yet. I do want to bring this over here and show you guys the EMSC model real quick. See if I can bring this in the right map. There we go. It's going to be this purple circle down here indicating that earthquake activity that just struck a short time ago. Right there in the purple circle, once again a 6.0 magnitude quake south of Panama. Looks like about 14 minutes or so ago. And then again, the USGS not reporting on it. I did see it showing up on the seismograph stations, and the reason how I know is because looking at these graphs here, you can see a signature of a distant but somewhat larger earthquake showing up on the Barrett San Diego station, and also Mammoth Lake's picking up on it as well. So, of course, USGS always, I shouldn't say always, they're sometimes late. We'll see if this 6-pointer sticks to the magnitude or not. Sometimes the EMSC model tends to blow up the magnitudes and then lowers them. On this page, they have it set as a 6.2 south of Panama, 10 kilometers below surface. Of course, then again, source parameters have not yet been reviewed by a seismologist, so a good possibility of it getting downgraded. How much of a downgrade, I don't know, but once again, there we go, 6.1. Just being issued by the USGS for that earthquake there south of Panama. Southwest Panama looks like. Costa Rica up here. I'm sure quite a few folks reported feeling that quake. 9.1 kilometers. I don't believe there's going to be any type of tsunami statement. It's right smack dab in that zone where they see a tremendous amount of earthquake activity historically. This one has been reviewed by seismologists. If I can spit that out a little bit. And far as community internet reporting, just a couple people in Panama so far. This is kind of a distance off the coast. Looks like about 100 miles or so. Not going to be any type of tsunami statement with this earthquake. Too small of a magnitude, but nonetheless, some interesting activity taking place. 6.1 is pretty good sized quake, right? We have been seeing some deeper movement out here in the South America region over the past few weeks, and of course swarming in California and Yellowstone. Mammoth Lake seeing a little bit of swarming today as well. That is another super volcano, Long Valley super volcano region. Not as significant of a swarming as Yellowstone's taken place, but some movement around the Long Valley supervolcano caldera region right here. 2.8 way down south, but most of the activity around Long Valley is going to be microquakes. Continued increase in aftershocks following the 6-pointer that struck last week. We're over a week ago now. 115 earthquakes still. Aftershock sequences continue for quite some time. Up here at the Yellowstone National Park area, they only show 14 earthquakes within the last 24 hours, but I guarantee you there's way more than that, and way more than the 95 listed over the last 7 days of the all magnitude map. So taking a real quick glance here at Yellowstone, you can see the seismic increase in the quakes kind of calming down over the last couple hours or so, but not completely. Still seeing quite a bit of movement, and looking back over the last 24 and when this earthquake swarm started, I have a pretty strong feeling we're looking at about 300 earthquakes or so, possibly more, within this earthquake swarm below Yellowstone National Park, or below the Lake Yellowstone there at Yellowstone National Park. So just kind of keep an eye on it. This thing could ramp up again. And I believe so far the largest is going to be that 3.6 that struck earlier there in the Yellowstone area, 3.6. So, and magnitudes were increasing. We're looking at a decline in the multitudes at the moment, but you never know. This thing could definitely ramp up, folks. So once again, a 6.1 earthquake striking south of Panama, listed on the USGS right now. 6.1, 6.2 on the EMSC model, but took the USGS a little time to get this quake up after a review. It's listed. Stay safe out there, folks. Interesting earthquake day so far. And of course the earthquake 3D globe picking that up as well. Looks like that 2.8 there, the latest quake on the globe, southeast of the Long Valley area that I showed you on that prior map. All right, folks, we'll be back a little bit later with a complete update video. Until then, enjoy your Saturday, and we'll chat you guys later. Peace out.